Danko bafowethu, siqala lana bafowethu. Welcome to Kaizer Chiefs True News Sport. Please subscribe, like, share, comment so that the channel can grow bafowethu. Siyabonga abangene kahle enyakeni omusha bafowethu. Ake singeneni kwezebhola bafowethu eze-Kaizer Chiefs. Sike sibheke kabanzi bafowethu ukuthi yini le edingekayo kakhulu lana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Do we need a new coach or we don't need a new coach? For now what I can say, maybe umuntu ofana noRulani kanjena. uRulani, yes, I can support him because his style of play, he can fit in Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu. I cannot say he cannot fit because his style of play, ulo muntu odlala bafethu adlalela ukuwina. So yes, I cannot say no to Rulani Mokwena bafethu, but to Pitso Mosimane, no. Kaizer Chiefs is more different from his game. Ama game awadlala like the way he do, and then ama players awadinga yabona. It's more different from Kaizer Chiefs. But say these two bafethu, if they can fix their strategy of playing, they can be happy because look at them. The way they get worried when things are not going well, you can see they start asking themselves what should we do. Like they look desperate to my face bafethu. So we don't need coaches as over clueless. We need coaches that are going to come with the plans. Even though if you didn't buy new players, but see who's going to work for you, and then look at the Betway Premiership of it. On number 4, Skukuna in front of us, but Skukuna does not have best players like the way we do. We do have best players bafowethu because the likes of Abo Mabue, Obo Mayo, Khanyisa Mayo, the Silva, Igodaro, I saw Matlona performing very well. So we have such players with the character. But the problem is he cannot combine them. Even our young boys, Abo Vilagazi, Shabalala, they can play better. Even in Ungobo, Nkinga nje Ungobo na is on and off. So it's someone that you cannot trust on him. Yabona. Abo Vilagazi, the reason why uzobona ngathi Vilagazi is on and off is because of he cannot carry the team alone. He needs ama character abafana nabo Mabuye kanjena nabo Matlo, the way bebadlala ngakhona.